special guest for tonight.
Yes, napaka-beautiful,
Yes,
no?
multi-awarded.
And very talented.
And very beautiful.
Of course, fresh na
Miss
fresh, Miss Lay
Lay Maniego!
Malambot pala to.
Siyempre si Sir Manong.
Next up!
Tayo na lang tayo, Sir Pao. Tayo na lang tayo.
Kinakain yung ginto, pwede bang
Pwede
isanda?
natin ng strawberry si Miss Lay. Miss Lay.
Kaya nakakanta yata ni Miss Lay.
Happy anniversary!
Thank you!
Thank you po.
Pampainit!
Pampainit. Okay, shout out natin
Ayan,
ang
oh.
Operation and Servizo Channel. Thank
Hello,
you so much.
mabuhay.
Ayan, may nagpadala na ng stars.
Stars!
From Marie YM, 50 stars. Salamat.
Ayan, nag-ano tayo ng
Stars,
karamihan ng mga
oo.
awards. Siyempre, dapat lahat sila mag-tune in, guys. Yung ating mga
teka
guests
lang.
dyan sa
Kailangan
labas,
ano na
mag-invite
tayo.
na tayo.
Okay, so
Yan.
nandyan ang Jolin TV. Thank you sa support. Siyempre,
Oy, may gift tayo kay
sa
Jolin.
atin, si Jolin TV.
Yay. I-unbox na yan.
Jolin TV.
Okay. Maraming salamat, Jolin TV. Ano,
Yan, magtawag na
kailan ba,
tayo.
kailan ba magkakaroon
More
ng-
stars, please.
Kailan ba anniversary ng Jolin TV? Kailan ba? Kailan ang anniversary ng Jolin TV? May 18? Ha? May 8?
Anniversary of Jolin?
Oh?
Wow!
Magaya lang
Anniversary
natin, Jolin,
month
sa-
nila ang month of May.
Oh, happy anniversary to our
Happy,
sister.
Happy
birthday.
Annie! Jolin TV!
Happy birthday. Maybe 1 year din sila,
Hello to
sir.
Press Deng Deng of Taguig Global Centennial Lions Club.
Direct na meron sa atin na katuloy sa YouTube. Sino yung mga i-click natin dyan sa YouTube? Ako na lang mag-
Marisa Satore, maraming salamat.
Ay,
Si CJ.
Thank you.
Si CJ Hernandez, happy first anniversary, Michi family.
And Maria Consuelo Medrano, thank you for greeting us.
Maraming salamat
We
po.
love you.
JD Panganiban, happy first anniversary po.
Hello. Okay, so yes.
Mari YM.
Buti nakaabot ako, no?
Napagod tayong
At thank you so much for inviting me sa inyong pong anniversary.
Our pleasure, of course.
Diba?
Very special
Atas tayo
guest.
to si Ma'am Leo.
Oo nga. Ay,
Yeah.
nag-selfie ka na ba?
Naingit
Hindi
ako.
pa, mamaya pa tayo magsiselfie.
Oo.
Pwede na tayo mag-screenshot, guys!
Screenshot, sige.
Sir Alan, come nearer. Sir Alan. Yes, thumbs up.
Yan. Parang
Okay.
gusto lang mamatay nung...
Thank you, Direk.
Di ba nawala na kuryente?
Uy, batiin muna natin Love Visual Corporation. Hello,
Love
Sis
Visual.
Dali.
Visual.
Kala ko labis.
And Servicio Channel, nakita ko, binati kayo ni Sir Nero.
Nice. Shout out, Sir Hero.
Salamat po.
And of course, sa lahat talaga, lahat ng sponsors na talaga naging part ng Media House
Media House
Express.
Express. Lahat po.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sponsors natin.
Mamaya magro-roll call tayo, no? Of course, thank you to PAGCOR at sa suporta rin ni Congressman Ompong for the longest time.
Thank you very much, Kong.
Yes, and of course, Nagtamayo Agro Products, ang Highway Patrol. Ay, hindi pala.
Wonderlove!
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Halo-halo.
Ay,
Friend kami,
halo-halo
Kismet.
na. Ano ba
Kaya
yan?
pala. Sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Sabi ng Kachi Cheers
Okay. Siyempre, Presadonis, pasalamatan natin yung nag-donate ng ating
Okay.
lechon.
Sige, salamat
Yes.
po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ho ng mga nagbigay sa atin. Para lalong maging masaya po ang okasyong ito. Pasalamat po tayo kay isa-isahin na lang natin to.
Okay.
May kopya rin naman kayo dyan.
Oo, sige. Simulan natin. Dito muna.
Sige,
Pag
sa'yo
ganyan.
muna. Papapunta sa akin.
Okay, Strawberry Pistachio Sanserval Grande by Creative B Bakery.
Mr. M.
Mr. M. Kung sino ka man. Yay!
Yeah, maging sino ka
Mag
man.
sino ka man. And of course, merong one lechon from Superintendent Clint Russell Tanhiri. Ayan, Regional Director ng National Capital Region Bureau of Jail and Management and Technology. Thank you so
Salamat
much.
po, Colonel.
And a million thanks to Ma'am Leia Botones.
A million thanks to you.
Ma'am, yung isa pa, number 3.
Yes, and of course, isa pang lechon from Sir John Chong,
Yay!
DHUM, consultant to the Director General of TESDA and Anchor of Bantay, Abuso at Korupsyon.
Dito yan
Thank
sa
you po.
Media House.
Our very own. And syempre, andyan pa.
Pinasasalamatan din po natin ang mga nagbigay po ng pagkain, kagaya po ng 5L, Bernisita Diners Catering in Bacoor City, Cavite. Thank you po, Miss Lynn at kay AOS Lovely Town.
Miss Lovely Town.
Yes.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Oy, salamat din po kay Hiroshi Wellness Healthcare Solutions Philippines. Thank you po, Sir. Maraming salamat po, J.R. Ortiz
Thank you.
Capito.
Thank you, Sir JR.
At ganoon din po, pinasasalamatan rin po natin ng AMSAM Insurance Agency Corporation. Thank you, sir. Miguel Ma'am Che Sanchez. Maraming salamat po.
Happy birthday din kay Sis Che Sanchez.
Oy, happy birthday po, ma'am.
Ayan,
Salamat po.
at
Marami
dumating
po
na
kami
isa
dito
pa nating,
pagkain.
special guest.
At salamat din po sa St. Rose of Lima, Las Piñas School. Thank you po, Mrs. Tel Villanueva at Ma'am J.R. Kathleen Villanueva Tobias.
Yes, Doctor of Education.
Doctor of
Ayan.
Education.
Okay. And also, maraming salamat po kay Kuya Nats Alforte for the kakanin. And kay Ma'am Irma for the yummy coffee jelly. Yay! Kay Amiga Debbie for the Labanos Achara. And of course, yours truly, kay Good Vibes Gia for the buttered corn. Ayan.
At sa spaghetti kay Commander Rose.
Ayan!
Salamat.
Ayan. Oh,
Yan,
diba?
ready lang ni Ma'am Lay Maniego ang kanyang
Oh, syempre. Awitan niya tayo.
Yes,
Ayan. So, pagkanta niya ba, sasayaw ba tayo?
Ay, depende sa kakanta niya yun.
paano ang eksena natin?
Pero gusto natin.
Ayan. Ay,
kantahin yan.
nagtago
Oo.
na.
Yes.
ba natin to?
Oo.
Ay, salamat
Hindi,
nga
wag mo
pala.
ba?
Papasalamat din po kami sa Gold Mine Rice. Gold Mine
Yes.
Rice. Salamat
Gold
po.
Mine Farm to Market. Yes.
Salamat po sa inyo. At ganoon din po, pinasasalamatan din po natin. Ang World Travel Expo.
Yes!
Saan kami po ay isa sa mga
Media
media house
partner.
express partner po,
partner.
media partner,
Yes.
World Travel Expo.
Yeah.
At ganoon din po pinasasalamatan din po natin ang St. John Custodial and Psychiatric Therapeutic Homes at Loving Arms Assisted Living Homes.
Yay!
Salamat po sa inyo, salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta. Salamat po.
Yes. Actually, ma'am, pwede naman sila dyan sa ating receiving area. Wala.
Yes. Okay, so gusto rin natin pasalamatan ang The Big Difference Communications. Yan po. Of course, Wink Vision Care Clinic.
Yes.
Wing, salamat po.
Team Melody! Lagi ako.
Yun, Team Melody.
Parang ako talaga nag-enjoy sa milk.
Oo, talagang enjoy.
Oo, tayo lahat.
Ayan.
Oo.
Okay, parang back up tayo ng kanta.
Oo nga.
Parang
Yan o,
Shiny, shimmering, splendid.
at mamaya po, ay, nandiyan na po, si Ma'am Mara Tamundo.
Yes!
Siyempre.
Ating minamahal
Mamaya
si Ma'am Mara Tamundo.
Yes. Hihiling tayo ng awitin kay Mang Mara.
pasukin natin si Ma'am Mara, tapos yung ibang mga announcers natin.
At star-studded tayo, no?
Alisin na natin to.
Sige,
Tayo tumayo na lang.
At of course, marami pong pasasalamatan si Ma'am Dia.
Okay, of course, ulitin natin, no, ang Wonderloop Product Service, ang Innovator Suitcases, of course, AMSAN Insurance Agency Corporation, ACB Auto Care Body, Hiroshi Wellness Healthcare Solutions, Friend Pack Household Essentials, yan yung maker of Bubble Man, okay, and Ailey Brews Cafe and Roastery, and Pro Life UK, Love Jasper, Eat, Angel Moon, FDI Cares, Creative Bakery, Club Windham, Ready Set Glow, Maddie's Collection, Business for a Cause, Project Speed Mom, Livelihood, yes, care of Ms. Jean, and ayan, yung nanay ko tumatawag.
Nanay, sandali.
Yes, okay, and True Sea Health and Beauty Republic.
Babati
Of course,
Yes.
Alpha Spin, Bizworld. Tama ba? Bizworld. And Agilis Corporation, Unveil, Berjaya Hotel Makati, Travel Reels, Travel Booking App, Tamayo Agro Product, Furry Fiesta from Rescue to Family Event, World Travel Fair by Ads Asia Event, also the Cashless Expo, Wellness Expo, of course, Gold Mine Rice, thank you so much, PAGCOR, Wink Vision Care Clinic, St. John Custodial and Loving Arms, and 5L Bernesita Diners Catering Services, and the Big Difference Communication. Ayan po. There you go. Thank you all so much. Thank you. And ready na po ba? Ayan na. Wow naman. Again, thank you so much, Love Visual and Servisu Channel. Yay! Okay.
You know?
Oh, wow.
Okay, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Lay Maniego.
Everybody now. Call me, I need you. My heart's on fire. Come to me, wild and wild. Ooh, you come to me. Give me everything I need. Give me medicine, roses in a world of dreams. Pag ganun daw, ganun. So long as all I want, you know what it means. Sway, sway. Ooh, what it can be wrong. Take my heart and make it strong, baby. You're simply the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone. 'Cause anyone I ever met. Ooh, I'm stuck on your heart, baby. I haven't every word to say. Oh, I'll tell us apart, baby. Baby, I would rather be dead. In your heart is 6 stars every night, every day. Oh yeah, oh yeah. In your eyes, I get lost, I get washed away. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, this love I'm healing your arms I could be no words. Come on. You're simply the best. Woo! MG! Better than all the rest. Better than anyone. 'Cause anyone I ever met. You're losing control. You're walking away with my heart and my soul. I can feel you even when I'm alone. Oh, baby, so let go. Yeah. Come on. All right. Happy, happy anniversary, Media House.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Come on. You're the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone. 'Cause anyone I ever met. Ooh, I'm stuck on your heart, baby. I heard every word you said. Oh, tear us apart now. Baby, I would rather be there. You're the best. Congratulations, guys.
the best.
A very nice song.
Inanta ko talaga yung Simply the Best kasi you guys are the best.
Hi, thank you.
Thank you so much. Welcome back, Direk.
Nagulat kami.
Direct Marvin.
Nagulat din sila sa atin.
Welcome home. Direct Marvin.
Sa kanila.
You're so cute pa din.
Yeah.
Cute na cute pa
Sabi
din.
ko, parang ang nagulat sa atin si Sir Mervin. Si
So, ayan.
At nangyari sa kanila, nawala lang ako. Sabi niya.
Oh, guys.
Hello po.
Okay.
Napakagandang ano na yan.
Yes,
Song
cheers.
na Fernie. Thank you so much, Ma'am Lay, for always
Cheers,
accepting our
everyone.
invitation and always coming sa lahat ng imbitasyon ng Media House Express. Si Ma'am Lay ay wala.
Thank you.
Sa mga
Yes.
mainstay artists.
Of course.
And of
Very
course,
supportive.
Visual.
Yes.
And Servizo Channel.
Servicio
And
sana.
Miss Lay, I've heard meron kang upcoming concert.
Yes, I have upcoming concert. Eh, nakalimutan ko yung ticket kanina. But anyways, I have upcoming concert ngayon pong June 29. Sana po makapunta kayo. Ayan, so sa Pier 1 po iyan. So we're gonna do a rock and roll. So,
Gusto ko yun.
yes, and yung ticket po natin is only 1,000 pesos. With dinner na po iyon. Pero yung pagka bibili po kayo ng ticket, mapupunta po yun sa Home for the Aged. Kasi after my concert, I'm doing a charity program. So,
Yeah. With a cause. Project of Miss Lay Maniego.
concert with a cause.
Yes po.
Of course. Ayan.
And mayroon tayong award sa June. June 28, Sovereign Awards, the first Sovereign Awards. Ayan, of course, Love is All Corporation. Ayan, so balita ko, awarded din kayo. Congratulations.
Ayun.
Congratulations sa ating lahat.
Yes.
Ako meron din award, Loyalty Award.
Ayan. Loyalty Award of Media House Express. Amiga Debbie.
Sir, ang bagay ka sa pwesto mo, may natatakpan.
Yes. Hindi nakikita yung mga... Kaya nga kanina dito.
Ayan, itong mga
Nakaka-sticker naman kasi yung
shimmering.
nagkatawa niya si Ma'am Lay eh.
Shimmering ladies.
Itago.
Mas bata naman sa atin si Lay, di ba?
Yes.
Pero
Ganun
okay.
din naman kayong dalawa. Huwag kayong insecure.
Ako hindi, kaya nga ayoko umupo. Kasi may
Nga pala, pwede po bang bumate?
Pwede.
Ayan, so, babatiin ko po muna yung aking pong asawa na nanonood ngayon sa Netherlands, Corino Franzani. And of course, lalabas po tayo sa New York Times Square billboard, powered by Allegra de Pilipinas. Ngayon po yung June 5. So, abangan niyo po ang mukha ko doon.
Yes.
At of course, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa lahat po ng aking mga sponsors sa aking pong outreach program. So, magsisimula na po yung aking outreach program yung pong May 18. So, kung gusto niyo pong sumali at mag-join sa ating pong outreach program, please message me. Alright, thank you so much.
Yes! Okay, batiin natin yung mga viewers natin ngayong gabi nito. Mama Ophelia, hi! Nasaan ka? Ba't wala ka dito? And kay Sakas, thank you for greeting us. Okay, and also to Joni Astacio Cobasura, thank you for greeting us. Ayan.
Ayan.
Yan si Kagawad.
Si
Yes.
Johnny Estacio
Hi,
Cabusora.
Kagawad. And thank you again to Miss Marie YM for the 50 stars.
Yay!
Thank you so much. And
Christian
Reyes Ray,
Uno, kamusta
hi.
naman? Zach, thank you for watching. Sana
Hi,
magpa-star ka
Presidente.
dyan.
Yes, asan yung stars na yan? Paulanin na yan. Because
Calling
we are
ex
celebrating
Madama.
our first year anniversary.
Oo nga.
Magpadama ka, Ed.
Miss B. At ang mga star sender namin sa Usaping May Bahay, si Friendly Friend. At saka sa yung mga suki nyo sa Live Healthier, di ba?
Live longer.
Good vibes, di ba?
Yes.
Okay!
Siyempre ang Unveil at saka ang Jura Fresh. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oy, andito na lang, ang dami na natin kasama.
Ayan, meron pa tayong maririnig na napakagandang awitin from our guest, none other than Miss Lay Maniego.
Okay, take it away!
Yes, of course, we have to mention that she is going to be awarded as the most remarkable Filipino Queen of Rock and Roll of 2024.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You must understand for the touch of your hand. Yan lang. Ayan, thank you so much. Thank you po sa pag-bati. And of course, congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Understand how the touch of your hand makes me false react. And it's only a trick of warm and tender, of possessive pride. It's a basic calm. Only logic calm.
Yeah.
You must try to ignore that it means more than that. Whoa, what's love got to do with it? What's love but a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do with it? Who needs our hearts when our hearts can be broke? It may seem to you that I'm acting confused when you're close to me. If I plan to live days, I read it someplace. I've got cause to be. There's a name for it. There's a phrase that's fake. For whatever the reason, you do it for me. Whoa, what's love got to do with it? What's love but a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do with it? Who needs our hearts when our hearts can be broken? Come on. Yes, come on out there. Yeah.
Salamat, Deng Deng! Nagpadala ng 45 stars!
Yes, thank you, Brent. And thank you, Rex R, for the 20 stars.
I've been taking a new direction, but I have to say, I've been thinking about my own protection. It scares me to feel this way. Whoa, what's love got to do with it? What's love but a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do with it? Who needs our hearts when our hearts can be broken? Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. Once again, happy anniversary, Media House.
Thank you, Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Direk.
Yan! Oo. Uy,
Ayun, okay. Again, congratulations, Ms. Lay Maniego. You're one of the golden achievers on this coming second Philippines Finest Business Awards and Outstanding Achievers. And you're going to receive an award of being the Excellent Performing Artist of the Year. year!
Thank you po. And of course, hindi ko po matatanggap ito kung hindi po naniniwala ang ating pong mga awards guru, no? And of course, Love is Well Corporation at yung sa akin pong mga followers at sa akin pong mga supporters. And I'm so very, very grateful to receive that award. Thank you very much po, Love is Well Corporation. Thank you po.
Kami kasi every Friday meron kami dito video key, ano. So pagka sinisipag-sipag ka, just swing by.
Pag hindi siya busy.
Our
Yeah.
karaoke night.
6 to 7.
Pagdamutan mo. Ay, huwag mong pagdamutan.
Bakit ka ba ginagamit yung term na yun, ano?
Oo.
Pagdamutan mo na.
Pagdamutan.
Dapat hindi pagdadamutan. Huwag mong pagdamutan ng iyong oras.
Wow, si Direct Debbie, nagsend ng
Sino yun?
Sino siya?
May sukli. May sukli.
Ayun, nagpapati si La Visual.
Na visual is
Oo,
watching.
pabati
Thank
daw.
you.
Hello to the management and people of La Visual.
Yes, oo naman.
Yes, ngayon po yung June 28, ha?
Yes, oo, June 28.
The first Sovereign Awards. Ayan.
At yan ay gaganapin sa Dusit Thani Hotel, Manila.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, it's so slang.
Of
Very
course.
good. It's so slangy.
May kare.
Of course. Yes.
Ayan. Ano, meron lang siyang ano.
And of course, syempre, si Miss Lay Maniego, siya rin ay Golden Achiever dyan sa second Southeast Asian Premier Business Award.
Thank you
Yan.
very
Siya
much
ay
po.
tatanghaling Premier Achiever Outstanding. Ayan, di ko na mabasa. Ayan, outstanding what? Oh, ayan. Ayun, outstanding multi-awarded pop rock singer artist.
Thank you po.
Paghahalata.
Oy, speaking of that, meron din po tayong awards sa New York, sa Hollywood at saka sa Japan po this year. At kung kayo po ay pupunta sa aking concert, inyo pong mga mukha ilalabas po yan sa Vegas Film TV sa iyo.
Vegas.
Shout out po sa aking pong Hollywood promoter, Louis Bosley. Hello, hello.
Ako, New York din. New York, Cubao.
Yeah!
New York, New York.
Wow, yes.
So, ano ba, meron ka pa bang ihahadog sa amin or we pause for a few reminders?
Papakita natin yung ano natin mamaya, yung ating MTV for our anniversary.
Yes, okay.
Ayan. So,
Ayan.
once again po, babatiin ko muna once again, Love is Well Corporation. Ayan. So, thank you so much, Sovereign Soul of Business Triumph and Remarkable Achievers for recognition. Me as a category, as the most outstanding multi-awarded pop rock singer-performer. And super, super excited ko po. Ngayon po yung June 28, 2024. At magaganap po yan sa Doset Tani. Ayan. Thank you very much, Love is Well Corporation, for the awards. My God, I'm so very honored to have this recognition.
Thank you so
Direct.
very
Ayan.
much.
Naka-ready na ba yung ating ano?
Oo, yung ating
Ating MTV.
Yes, may MTV.
Aawitan natin sila. Take it away. Marvin. Halika, samahan mo kami. Sama ka rito.
Nagkalimutan.
Yes.
Halika, sama ka kasi kakanta tayo. Kailangan ng mga ano rito.
Huwag kayong
Ng
titiwala.
ano,
ng mga
Kasi
kabagitsan.
marami pa tayo.
Walang
Halika,
wala.
Yan, para makapakain naman na natin si Ma'am Lay.
Alright, thank you very much, Media
Okay,
House. And
thank you.
happy anniversary po sa inyo.
Yes, thank
May
you so
God
much.
bless you.
More
power.
Kumain-kain ka lang dyan.
Okay,
I-rest mo lang.
there you go. In the meantime,
Okay.
let's pause for some...
Reminder.
Yes.
The video.
Cheers, everyone.
Video ng
Ang alas pangit.
Ay!
video ng ating ano.
Ang alas lasing.
Of course, nandito
Subong
si-
Cortigera,
Miss
pinsan.
Lay Maniego to say some... Yes, ayan na. Ayan, may announcement.
Nakalimutan ko kanina, guys. Ayan, so, I have upcoming concert, no, sa June 29. Nakalimutan ko ipakita sa inyo. This is our ticket.
Mhm.
It's only 1,000 pesos. An Evening with the Asia's Queen Who Fires. Yung ating pong concert ay lalabas po yan sa Vegas Film TV. Kung kayo ay bibili ng tickets, available pa po. Pero sold out na po yung 100 tickets natin. But kung ang Media House ay mag-sponsor, kasama po kayo sa aking pong billboard sa New York at sa Pilipinas.
Yay! Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Si Pres, sabi ni Pres, kayo. Sabi ni Pres, punta ka din.
Ayan, okay.
Ayan, so, once again, gusto ko pong batiin ang Labiswal Corporation. Nanonood po siya kanina. Ayan, so hello, sis Lalaine. Thank you so much for my guesting tonight. And of course, once again, happy anniversary, Media House!
Yes! Okay. And of course, yes. We are so honored, Miss Lay Maniego, that you dropped by and graced this wonderful occasion, itong milestone na ito ng Media House Express.
And of course, it's my honor to be part of your journey this time, no? Talagang 1 year and many years to come pa yan, and more power sa inyong mga shows.
You
have amazing shows.
Thank you so much.
Galing mo palang kumanta. Kumain ako kanina.
Malakas ang loob.
Habang kumain ako, uy, sino yun? Parang si Papa Roti lang.
Paparotti.
Oo. Pang-international.
Oo nga, ba't hindi pa ngayon? Antayin pa yung...
Hanggang ngayon. Ay,
Hindi,
ngayon.
kayang-kaya nyo na yan.
Sige, habang kami ay kakain
Bakit
sa
ka lang?
Go,
madali,
go,
sige.
go.
Bakit ngayon ka
One
lang?
more practice. Go for it. Ayan,
Ganito pala yung yung
Ayan. Okay. kanta
walang
lang
tigil
kayo.
na
Yung
show.
pronto.
Anong tawag doon?
Yeah.
Grabe.
Yes.
Uy, ang dami yung cake, ha?
Yes.
Ang dami yung sponsor. Congratulations sa inyo
Hi
lahat.
to Marisa Satore, Bongcor Tiguera, my cousin. Yun.
Yan, syempre by
Parang
special request.
natahimik tayo.
May dumaan na
no?
lechon.
Okay, so habang inaayos niyo yung kakantahin ninyo, eto naman ako at
Yes.
magtatrabaho
Direct,
muna.
ano daw, bakit ngayon ka lang?
Bakit
Okay, 3 nights to look forward to that would honor deserving people and companies who perform more than what they are expected from La Visual Corporation and Servizo Channel, together with their partners, come Sovereign Seal of Business Triumph and Remarkable Achievers on June 28 at Dusit Thani Hotel, Manila. Second Philippines Finest Business Awards and Outstanding Achievers on September 28 at the Hexagon Events Place, Quezon City. And of course, the second Southeast Asian Premier Business and Achiever Award on December 8 at Winford Resort and Casino, Manila. There you go. Ready na ba?
Yung ano, direct,
Yung karaoke direct.
karaoke na duet
Bakit ngayon ka
with,
lang?
ano.
Bakit
Kasi
ngayon?
solo
Oo.
lang yata yan. Yung duet yun.
Bakit ngayon?
Bakit ngayon ka lang?
Kasama ni
huli ang
Pops
lahat.
Fernandez si...
There's no
ah,
such thing as Kasi sabi ko,
Ayan,
better
yun.
late than never. O, di ba?
Parang may hugot ka.
Napahugot si ano.
Parang may...
In love ka po. Or hindi. Medyo.
Medyo. Kaya... Medyo lang. Dati ko po, ngayon medyo na.
Bakit ngayon ka lang?
Yeah.
Bakit ngayon kung kailan ang aking puso'y mayroon na laman?
Sana'y nalaman ko na darating ka sa buhay ko. Di sana'y naghintay ako.
Ikaw sana,
Sana ang
yakap
aking yakap-yakap,
ang iyong kamay
kamay lagi
hawak.
kong hawak.
At hindi kanya
At hindi kanya.
bakit ngayon
Bakit ngayon ka lang
dumating sa
dumating
buhay
sa
ko?
buhay ko? Pilit pinubuksan
Ang sarap
ang
ng
aking puso.
Ikaw ba
Ikaw ba
ay
ay
nararapat
nararapat sa akin? siya
Dapat
ba'y
limutin.
dapat limutin?
Nais kong malaman.
Nais malaman, bakit ngayon ka lang
Dumating.
Yeah. Oh, thank you po. For me only.
Ikaw sana.
Sana ang aking yakap-yakap,
Ang iyong kamay.
kamay, lagi kong hawak.
At hindi kanya.
At hindi kanya.
Bakit ngayon?
Bakit ngayon ka lang
Dumating
dumating sa
sa
buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan
Ang sarap
ang aking puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin?
At siya ba?
At siya ba'y dapat limutin?
Nais kong malaman.
Nais malaman, bakit ngayon ka lang?
Bakit ngayon?
Bakit ngayon ka lang dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan
Ang sarap.
ang aking puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin?
At siya ba'y
At siya ba'y dapat limutin?
nais kong malaman.
Nais malaman, bakit ngayon ka lang dumating?
Nais kong malaman.
Nais malaman, bakit ngayon ka lang?
Lay, ba't ngayon lang?
Oo nga, ba't ngayon ka lang dumating?
Thank you so much, Miss Lay. Grabe. Guys, actually, pinag-uusapan nga namin kanina dito sa studio, no? Ofera natin ng show si Ma'am Lay.
Oh my God.
Yan naman eh, nasa kanyang kagustuhan kung pipiliin niya.
Pipiliin.
Yun.
Matapos kumanta tayong bakit ngayon ka lang?
Correct. Oo, yan.
Oh, diba?
Biruin mo ang mga nag-offer sa iyo, yung mga executives na
Oo, nagulat nga ako kanina, impronto.
Ayan.
Ayan, so
Magaling
pag-uusapan natin yan.
Correct, oo. Maraming, alam mo naman ng mga Pinoy talaga mahilig sa musika.
Correct, correct. O,
So,
diba?
maganda yung merong nag-uusap about it.
Oo.
Pinagkukwentuhan yung bagong mga ano ng ano, no?
How you succeed into the music industry. Ganon. O, diba?
Galing.
Alright, thank you so
Galing.
much once again,
Okay.
sir, no? And
Yes.
Media House Express, congratulations sa inyo pong napaka-bongacious na anniversary. Ayan, of course, hindi po ako makarating dito pagka hindi sinabi nila visual. Sis Laling,
Maraming salamat
thank you
din po
very
sa
much.
Visual.
And I'll see you sa ating pong awards ngayon pong
Yes.
June 28 sa Dositane, the first Sovereign Awards.
Yes.
Ayan.
Guys, panoorin niyo po yun or dumalo kayo dun sa awards night. And actually, abangan niyo po yan dahil lalabas po yan sa lahat ng social media accounts ng La Visual at ng Media House Express bilang partner
Media
ng La
partner.
Visual. Ano? Siyempre, congratulations din sa iyo, Ma'am Lay, dahil talaga naman, ladies and gentlemen, the multi-awarded Miss Lay Maniego.
Thank you po. Ayan, so sa mga taga New York dyan, abangan niyo po ang aking pong New York billboard at yung aking pong The Asia's Queen of Fire introduction po
Yes.
sa Vegas Film TV.
Asian's Queen of Fire.
Asia's Queen of Fire. Pero mag-change po yan kasi yung aking pong recently na New York billboard ay nag-change na po siya ng Asia's Queen of Rock.
Rock.
Ayan. So may press con po ako. Ito of course, iimbitahan ko po kayong pumunta sa aking pong press con.
Guys, New Yorkers and the world, start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. Ayan. I think it's already time to say goodbye. Tatawagan ko lang yung aking mga kasama dito na nagsimula ng kumain. Mga traidor kayong lahat. Yes. Yan.
Once again guys, yung aking concert, An Evening with the
Panoorin niyo
Asian
po
Screen
yan.
of Fire, ngayon po
Oo.
yung June 29 sa Pier 1. Ayan,
Yes.
so makakatulong po kayo kasi after my concert, I'm doing charity event.
Yes, sa Pier 1
Makita-kita
yan.
po tayo
Shout out
dyan.
po kay Sir Francis at saka si Ma'am Carol Juan. Hello, hello sa inyo.
Okay, so tawagin natin ang ating pamilya para sabay-sabay tayong
Sabay-sabay tayo
magpaalam.
na magpaalam.
Ayan.
Again, maraming salamat po sa mga nagpadala ng aming mga foods,
yes,
of course.
sa lahat po ng sumuporta,
Oo.
nakinig,
Yeah.
at patuloy na
Let's go,
sumusuporta
everyone!
sa aming
Yes,
sa aming
okay.
mga programa.
So-
Huwag po kayong magsasawa.
Ayun na nga. Ano nang natin, i-mention lang uli natin. Salamat sa Strawberry Pistachio Sanchival Grande by Creative Bakery mula po kay Mr. M at ang ating isang lechon from Superintendent Clint Russell Tangere, Regional Director ng NCR Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, and of course another lechon from Sir John Chong, Doctor of Humanities, consultant to the Director General TESDA, and anchor of Bantay Abuso at Korupsyon. And foods from...
Hindi pa siya, pag hindi
Yes.
pa siya sumama, wala na siya sweldo.
Okay, pagkain or foods from 5L Bernesita Diners Catering in Bacoor City, Cavite. Thank you so much, Miss Lynn and Miss Lovely Tan. Maraming salamat, Hiroshi Wellness Healthcare Solution Philippines. Thank you so much, Sir J.R. Ortiz Capito. And of course, AmSan Insurance Agency Corporation. Thank you so much, Sir Miguel and Ma'am Che Sanchez. And lastly, St. Rose of Lima, Las Piñas School. Thank you so much, Tita Stel Villanueva and J.R. Jaja Villanueva Tobias, Director of Education. Thank you so much. Ayan po.
Okay, sige.
Okay, maraming salamat po, Night Coppers, at sa lahat po ng mga nagmamahal sa pamilya ng Media House Express. Marami pong salamat. Ayan. God bless all of you. Kaya naman, dito sa MHE, kami kasama mo!
Yay! Happy 1 year old!
Happy anniversary, Media House Express!
Usaping may bahay!
Thank you so much, Diego. Thank you, Love Visual.
Thank you, Lavisol Corporation!
Thank you sa lahat.
Allegra di Pilipinas!
Wala ba tayong screenshot?
Happy New Year!
Yay!
Yeah!
Screenshot!
Maraming salamat to everyone at sa mga nagpa-stars.
Thank you sa stars!
Thank you sa stars!
Steph Valiente, hello!
Muli niyong natunghayan ang programang Nightcap at MHE dito lamang sa Media House Express, your home of news and entertainment.